First, open up your Photos app. Select the photos you want to convert to a PDF. Tap Select at the top right. Then choose the images you need. Once you've selected your images, tap the share icon at the bottom left and then choose Save to Files. Select the location where you want to save these images in your Files app. Now, open the Files app. Find the images you saved. To convert a single image to a PDF, tap and hold on the image. Then select Create PDF from the menu that appears. You'll see that the image is immediately converted to a PDF. But what if you want to combine multiple images into one PDF? Let's do that next. Tap the three dots at the top right. Then select the images you want to combine. Tap the circle with the three dots at the bottom right. And choose Create PDF. You'll see that a new PDF file is created containing all the selected images. You can open it. Tap the share icon at the bottom left. And then email, text, or share it however you like. And that's it. You successfully created a PDF file on your iPhone.